VY's back. Okay, no sugarcoating it, no messing around. Simple as that. The VY's back. Having this car back on the road, driving, running, better than it was before, is such a relief. Probably wondering, what did I do? What happened? There's a couple videos on my channel that talks about how I blew up this old motor. I'll give you a little bit of a backstory. It wasn't while I was driving it. I was trying to fix stuff on it and I fucked up and I blew it up when I tried to start it. But as shit as that is, there's some good that's come from it, and that is this beautiful L67 that's been dropped into this thing. Now, those of you who remember, this car is factory L67 that was basically stuck. Now, a quick breakdown. I paid $3,200 for this motor. A lot of you may be thinking that's a lot for an L67. Here's why. It came with not these pacemakers, but a brand new set of competition pacemaker extractors, which I can sell for $600. There's some money back. It came with a ported supercharger with a BAS Spec Fabrications machine snout, so you can run a smaller pulley, I think up to 20 something pound. It came with another Mace cold air intake, which I'm not going to need to, so I can sell one. Came with a Planet Parts bigger elbow, so more take, more good. It came with this beautiful 92mm throttle body. I think that it is on LS's. 4-inch pipe. It still has the reducer to go down to the factory MAF. So I will be getting a LS MAF, so there's no more restriction or reducers. It comes with LS7 lifters, polished rocker covers, these pretty cool lightweight pulleys, which I haven't seen before. So that's what really caught my eye a bit. I thought, wow, that's pretty cool. Not bad. It came with the gearbox that's in it, which is unfortunately still an automatic. However, this auto is so much better than the one that I had previously. The one I had would slip, it would take forever to find its gear. Half the reason why I wanted to go to a manual. After I drove this, because I was driving a car prior to the motor being pulled out of the car, so that's why I bought this one, because I could be driven in it. The gearbox was so much better, so much tighter, which I do plan on shift kitting, but this is a million times better than my old gearbox. Give this a start up. So there is a slight tap that comes from the front end of the engine. I'm not 100% sure what it is. It's the only thing that's skeptical about this motor. The person I bought it off claims backlash with the timing chain because of the balance shaft. Not so sure, but the car runs and drives beautifully, so that's something I'm going to address in the future. With this whole intake and charger setup, this thing has a pretty good whine to it, so let's have a listen. How can you not love that? That is beautiful. Take a look at this thing. I am getting wheels very soon. I'm just on the hunt for some half decent ones, but not drug money. Oh, I'm just so glad to have this car back. So glad. So, that is how the L67 sits now. Ways better than it was just a couple months ago. That's just the start. You guys let me know what you want to see done to it. I've got some wheels coming, I've got some other exterior cosmetics to do to it. I've got a manual VSS pack which needs some serious love and attention, so if you guys want to see some videos on that, let me know, we'll make it happen.